morning and welcome to day 19 of the 21 days of Vego. We're so close to the end now. You can do it, just keep going, you can do it. So I hope that you're feeling good on this Saturday morning. We're so close. Today we've got some really good stuff. So this morning we're going to have scrambled tofu on toast, which we've got bread to use up, so make sure you use that, don't let it go off. Don't waste any food. And lunchtime is do whatever you want, because people often going out on a Saturday, or if you are going out, make a salad to take with you, or some sandwiches, or buy some keto snacks out. It is possible. Buy avocados and nuts in the supermarket and eat them. And then this evening, something a bit different. We're going to be having some vegan keto spaghetti bolognese. Yum, yum, yum. Yep, it is possible. You can have vegan spaghetti bolognese. Now, we're going to be using edamame noodles for that as a spaghetti. If you have something called a spiralizer, I don't, you can make spaghetti courgette. Spaghetti courgette? I think that's how you say it. So you can make spaghetti out of courgette. I don't have that right now, but I'm going to use my edamame noodles, which I got from Holland & Barrett for a couple of quid. And hopefully you've got some of those too. If not, just use some courgette. You can make courgette spaghetti just by cutting up really finely, but I think it might be a bit tedious, but we'll see. But anyway, I hope you're feeling really good. I hope everything's going well when you're feeling awake and alive. I know I definitely wake up quicker on a keto diet. I'm not usually a morning person, especially a keto coffee, that always helps. But yeah, and also if you're having MCT oil, how's that going? Are you enjoying it? Have you noticed any changes? Remember to leave comments below and subscribe and like the video, and I will get back to you guys. But we're so close to the end, and tomorrow's Sunday, and it's the last Sunday of the 21 days of Vego. So what better way to do that than have a Vego keto roast? So a seed roast, a seed nut loaf roast thing is going to be lush. Yum, yum, yum. Cool. Well, anyway, I'm going to go and make my breakfast because I'm starving. Have a good morning, and I will see you again later on, just for some, check how you guys are doing and for some things to talk about. See you later. Good evening and welcome to this evening's meal. We shall be having spaghetti bolognese keto vegan style with these edamame spaghetti, or if you've made it, courgette spaghetti, which I still need to have. I've never had that, but this stuff is so low in carbohydrates. I'll show you in a minute anyway. So follow me and I shall show you how to make this wonderful dish. So the ingredients for this dish are, we're going to put a bit of grated cheese on to serve. We have spaghetti to serve it on, and the main ingredients are aubergine, a very small onion, 200 grams of mushrooms, some tomato puree, a can of chopped tomatoes, some pepper, salt and garlic. That's a wine spritzer, which I'm drinking and won't go in there. It's not a whole pint of wine, I swear, most of that is soda water. And some basil and oregano, and then a vegetable stock cube. And my not so appealing tofu mince that I tried to create earlier, but I'm still convinced it's going to be nice. Alright. Okay, so let's get started. You need to finely dice or process the ingredients. I'm just going to finely dice them because I think that's the easier way. So cut the aubergine in half, do it again. Oh yeah, we're going to have 2 cloves of garlic. So yeah, while we're doing that, we're going to put some oil. I'm using British rapeseed oil. You could use olive oil if you want to make it more Italian. And just get that heated to a low to medium heat. Then we're using one very small onion. This is actually like a micro onion. If it was an actual small onion, I'd say half a small onion. But these ones that we got from Aldi are so small, they're actually really handy. Okay, so now that's heated up, we're going to put the garlic and onion in there first, lightly fry it. Breathe for a bit. Okay, so now that that's been cooking for a couple of minutes, we can put the rest of it in. Once the mushrooms are in, you want to let it very lightly fry or saute, as they say, for about 10 minutes. And now I'm going to add my interesting tofu in. So with edamame beans, spaghetti, as you can see on the back, the carbohydrates are 13 grams and then the fibre is 23. So it's really good. You can eat a lot of this stuff and you won't get out of keto. It's not bad. Good old Aldi, they've got everything. I used to work for Greenpeace and did street campaigns. I know that's a bit controversial because Greenpeace haven't had the best rep in the recent past, but I did find out that Aldi are actually one of the most ethical supermarkets, if they exist, that you can have. They source their food from very good sort of local sources. They do actually work well. They're at the top of the list up there with Lidl. Down the bottom are ones that I won't mention, don't want to get in trouble. But the more popular ones that you would think would be good are not so much. Okay, so we're going to be adding a cup of red wine to this. And just keep stirring it for about 3 or 4 minutes. Oh, by the way, the spaghetti, it doesn't take long at all. You only have to boil it for 3 to 4 minutes, drain well and then serve it, so it's all good. So people always think when you cook with wine and alcohol that you're going to get drunk from eating it. Just so you know, there's loads of websites, but I don't know a lot about it. But when you cook with alcohol, the longer you cook with it for, the less alcoholic it becomes. I remember the article I read, people like, oh, if I go to a pub and have something with red wine sauce, am I going to get breathalyzed on the way home, be over the limit? And you probably won't be, because the longer it's there, the more alcohol evaporates and burns away. You're just left with the red grapes. That's the flavour really. So don't worry about that. It's a common myth. Okay, so now we're going to start to add all the rest of the ingredients. So we've got half a tablespoon of garlic. I know we've got some garlic in there anyway, but we'll put a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper, the vegetable stock, and also some basil, half a tablespoon. I don't have any dried oregano, so I've been using this oil, so you only need like a drop of that because it's so strong. And we're going to add in the chopped tomatoes. And 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. And now you're going to let that simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to let it simmer. This stuff is really easy. You don't need to see how to cook it. You just boil the water, put it in for 5 minutes and it's done, and drain it. So I'm just going to leave you guys now and I'll be back with the finished product in about 15 to 20 minutes. Hello. So I nearly tucked into that without realising I had to finish filming. So here is the finished piece. Ta-da! How yummy does that look? Green spaghetti bolognese. It will be really good, trust me. So well done on completing day 19 of the Vego way, 21 days of Vego. That's freaking amazing. You know what I was going to say there. So honestly, celebrate tonight. Have a glass of wine or whatever and just have a good time and feel good about yourself, about what you've done and how far you've got. I'm with you every step along the way. I'm really proud of everybody that's taken part in this. You're doing something amazing. And even if it doesn't feel like it, it is, because you're helping yourself get better. So this is me out for the night. I will see you tomorrow morning for day 20. Day 20. Is that right? Yeah, it is 20 tomorrow. And we're going to be having a nice roast, a Sunday roast. We have a fry up in the morning, have a light lunch and have a nice big roast in the evening. So tomorrow's going to be a full-on cooking day, but it'll be worth it. Yeah, just congratulations to everyone. You're doing so well. So proud of you all. And I can't wait to hear. Remember to like and subscribe down the bottom. Send me a message and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So eat green and eat clean. Bye.